So Maggie's has been here since 1979, and I took it over, bought it right about 20 years ago. The building itself, being open 7 days a week, was beat up, so it was an old building, which we kind of liked. It was the old Maggie O'Brien's, had that charm, but at the same time, it definitely was time for an upgrade. With the soccer stadium coming in across the street, went and actually renovated the whole kit caboodle, from kitchen all the way through to the front. It's a total rehaul. True Refrigeration, obviously in our region, was always the top dog anyway, so it was something that was recognizable to me, number one. When my brother and I originally took this business over, the True was in here. They've stood the test of time and been beat up and banged on, and a lot of late nights and early mornings, and they've always stood up. So because of that, it came to the forefront for us. It's a big deal that it's a USA product and that it's local here to St. Louis. The current layout now has made it way more efficient. I give a lot of credit to that to Sean from Sessions Equipment on his layout schemes. The flow of the place overall is night and day, and your equipment is second to none. We're proud to use True, man. We're proud to have you guys in here.